Pygame Rect, what are the arguments? I know this may sound stupid, but the Pygame documentation on their website says that it is. However, in my program, I cannot figure out if that is true, or if the arguments are actually two sets of coordinates. I'm not nearly experienced to find out by looking through the Pygame source code.
Both of them work. Class Pygame.Rect Pygame object for storing rectangular coordinates rect, left, top, width, height, dash, rect, left, top, width, height, dash, rect, object, dash, rect. So, if you have coordinates x1, y1, and x2, y2, both of the following would work.
To help make things more clear, when you make an instance of a rect, aka a rect object, you specify its top left corner position. Then specify its width, which extends to the right of that position. Next its height, which extends down from that point. If you want to confirm the four corners of the rect object, you would call those variables xrect.top left, rect.top right, rect.bottom left, rect.bottom right. All you would need to do is call them inside of a print function to see them on the console. This should result in the four positions. Because of how Pygame plots on the screen once you get to the graphics portion, it's important to note that its x ascends from left to right, which is normal. However, its y coordinates ascend from top to bottom, which would normally be negative values for standard graph plotting.
Short